up, guys? We're back at it again. I'm here with JoJo. This is monster job part number 4. Still a lot of cleanup to do. Now this is why you always bring 2 wheelbarrows to a big job. This thing just fell off. I gotta find the nut where the nut's at, but we got a backup, so we ain't wasting no time. Is that right, JoJo?
That's right.
Getting money. So we're at the scrap yard scrapping some more bottle caps, guys, for a company that went out of business. So got a little bit of lunch money and got paid for a load, guys. That's how we do out here in Sonoma County. Now there's 2 ways we could have done this, guys. We could have just threw the boxes of bottle caps inside the back of the truck and brought it to the dumps and paid the dump fee, which would have been around $150 to maybe $180. Or I could take the time, which took an hour to undo every box and separate the metal from the cardboard and just recycle it, guys, and have no dump fee. So I'm all about making money, so I'm gonna take the time to do it and get it done, guys. So now we're heading back to do round number 2, so stay tuned. So another load done, didn't take long at all, and the place looks a lot better than it did when we first arrived a while back. It's a lot better now. It's getting there. So we're at the dumps right now. It's our second load. What's your dump prediction, JoJo?
105.
I'm gonna say 95. Let's see who's closer, guys. And also another thing, we're stopping to get some lunch. So the guy, the homeowner, I asked him, hey, you want a sandwich? That's just good customer service, guys, when you offer the customers something to drink or something to eat. And he said, yeah, so ain't nothing wrong with that, guys. It's always a good thing to bring food back, especially when you're gonna eat in front of someone, right?
Right.
Yeah. So the prediction's in, guys. It was $80. I won. How's it feel? So round 3, we're back, guys. Got JoJo backing me up. Always want someone backing you guys up whenever you guys are doing hauling. You don't want to damage the customer's house. And this is what we got going on, guys. We're loading the rest of these bottle caps up. It's a pain in the ass, it's time consuming, but we'll get it done. And it's all over here. And we can't back it up, we got a dumpster over there. So we got wheelbarrow all back to the trailer. So it's these and these, all full of bottle caps. How you feel about that, JoJo?
The pain in the butt.
But we'll get it done, guys. Cause we like that money. Hauling and balling. I want to be a hauler, straight baller. And always be cautious when you guys see hornets. There might be a hornet's nest around, so just be careful. Always check everything out. There's some right here flying around, so I'm gonna double check everything, guys. So I come back from around the corner, wheelbarrowing these things around, and JoJo's over here playing inside the bottle caps.
Playing.
What happened?
They're slippery, and I did the splits.
Oh, nice.
I fell.
3rd load is almost full, guys. We're getting it done. Getting it done. How hot is it out here? It's pretty hot today, huh?
Yeah.
How you feeling? How's the JoJo feeling?
A little tired.
Staying hydrated? What you drinking on? That ain't vodka, guys. That's an H2O.
Water.
Water. The agua. 3rd load is full, guys. Got JoJo throwing the last piece in. Like she's in the Super Bowl. Joe Montana to Rice. Oh yeah. If you guys want to make good money, do big loads. I mean, it's cool picking up couches and stuff like that, little stuff, but you want to make a couple grand in a day, do what? Full load.
Full loads.
Oh yeah. All right. we're heading on out, guys. So let me tell you guys what just happened. We're heading to the scrap yard, and what happened? We seen a realtor, and I told you what?
Roll down the window and give him a business card.
And what'd he say?
Oh, I know you guys.
That's what I'm talking about. Get your name out there, guys. Network, network, network. You got anything to say on that?
No, I thought it was cool that he already knew who he was. He took our card though.
Yeah, he knows us, but why didn't he call us yet? That's what I'm talking about.
Well, we just reminded him.
Yeah, exactly.
He'll be calling.
Get your guys' name in their face at all times, guys. Keep putting it in their face and guarantee they will call you and use you and do good work, and they'll use you guys again. Give them a good price, do good work, and get them on the team. So JoJo just got back in the car, guys. How much we have for dinner? Is it sad?
$20.75.
That's it?
Yeah. That's okay. It's better than paying to dump it.
Oh yeah. 100% profit, guys. Then we got $20, so I guess we're gonna be eating, I don't know, something for $20. So yeah, we're done for the day, guys. We did 3 full loads. We could have did another one, but you know what? Sometimes you gotta take a break and realize you don't need to work all that much. Still make the money, but you need to relax your body, right?
Yeah.
Get some relaxation on.
Relaxation.
Get some fishing on and enjoy life, guys. I'm Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling. This is JoJo, the first lady. So what do you want them to do?
Subscribe and hit the like button.
That's what I'm talking about. Subscribe, 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 guys.